The P0455 diagnostic trouble code is one of the most common issues Chevrolet owners encounter. This code indicates a gross leak in your vehicle's evaporative emission control system. The P0455 code specifically means a gross leak has been detected. This refers to a significant leak that is approximately 0.040 inches or larger in diameter. The evaporative emission control system, or EVAP system, has a critical environmental function. It captures fuel vapors that would otherwise escape from your fuel tank and prevents them from entering the atmosphere. Here we can see the complete EVAP system layout. The system consists of several key components working together to manage fuel vapors effectively. The fuel tank is equipped with pressure sensors that monitor the system. It's the primary source of fuel vapors that need to be controlled. The charcoal canister is the heart of the system. It contains activated charcoal that absorbs and stores fuel vapors when the engine is off. It connects to both purge and vent valves for proper operation. The fuel cap serves as the primary seal for the entire system. A cracked or damaged fuel cap seal, like shown here, is one of the most common causes of P0455 codes. The system also includes a purge valve that controls vapor flow to the engine, a vent valve that manages atmospheric pressure equalization, and vapor lines that connect all components together. The EVAP system operates in three main phases. First, fuel vapors are collected and stored in the charcoal canister. During engine operation, these stored vapors are purged into the combustion chamber. Finally, the system continuously monitors pressure to detect any leaks. Modern diagnostic tools have greatly improved EVAP system troubleshooting. Enhanced OBD2 scanners now provide real-time monitoring and pressure differential readings. Professional smoke machines use non-toxic smoke with UV-reactive properties, making it much easier to pinpoint the exact location of EVAP system leaks. Understanding these EVAP system basics is essential for properly diagnosing and addressing P0455 codes in your Chevrolet vehicle. The first step in diagnosing a P0455 code is performing a thorough visual inspection. Start by examining the fuel cap for cracks, damaged seals, or improper seating. Next, connect an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes and monitor live data. Look for related codes that might indicate specific component failures. Perform a smoke test or pressure decay test to locate the exact source of the leak. Smoke testing is particularly effective as it makes even small leaks visible. Based on diagnostic data, several components commonly fail. The vent valve solenoid is particularly problematic in 2018 to 2022 Silverados, often causing intermittent codes after fuel fill-ups. Once the faulty component is identified, replacement is typically straightforward. Always use OEM or equivalent quality parts for critical EVAP components to ensure proper system operation. After completing repairs, clear the diagnostic codes and perform a complete drive cycle to verify the fix. The EVAP system test typically runs during specific driving conditions, so follow the manufacturer's drive cycle procedure.